All right, it seems we're yet to establish contact with our correspondent. As soon as we have him, we will have more discussions on this very matter. Well, in another development, the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has directed security agencies to assist in emergency operations in Mokwa, Niger State, following the flood disaster that claimed 151 persons and displaced thousands. The President's statement comes a day after a high-powered delegation from the federal government visited the state to condole with the people and assess the level of damage caused by the flood. Chanami Bami reports.
Death toll from the recent flood disaster in Mokwa, Niger State, continues to rise. According to the Niger State Emergency Management Agency, at least 151 people have died and over 3,000 residents have been displaced. The affected communities are in urgent need of humanitarian assistance, including food, shelter and medical supplies. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has dispatched a federal government delegation led by the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris Malagi, to condole with the state and assess the situation.
Mr. President, we want to sincerely condole you on the loss of lives. The number is so huge. We understand at the briefing we've had with you this morning that the number has climbed up to about 150. This is really a very sad situation, and Mr. President is really very saddened by it. And to also let you know that all the government officials that needed to be here will be with you, so that whatever you require will be provided to you.
Also on the delegation is the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management, Nentawe Yilwatda, who assured that the federal government is mobilizing support to bring relief to affected families.
For the humanitarian activities, NEMA told us that they are on ground for rescue mission. They are also providing some relief materials to the communities. And we are going to review the situation and see where we can add additional resources that will come back to the state where it is needed.
The delegation was received at the government house in Mina by Niger State Deputy Governor Yakubu Garba, who said the state government has already dispatched emergency aid to survivors in Mokwa.
In 6,000 bags of rice for the displaced person as an interim measure. And as we are living here again, we are taking stock of the required needs.
As the recovery process begins, the people of Mokwa remain hopeful that aid will reach them in good time.
While the federal government is sympathizing with the people of Niger State, it is expected that aid should start moving into that direction as quick as it can to provide succor for the people, especially those that are in dire need of accommodation and food. Chanami Bami, TVC News.